me Juni and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and I'm back with another video after a long time. As you know, I haven't been posting for a couple of weeks, but not to worry, I'm back with another video. And this video is gonna be me unboxing my first ring light and tripod ever. And this is Yodzi's Yodzi. Like, I can't actually pronounce the brand name, the company name properly, but yeah, this one was the best one, and like it said it's the number one product, and it had 5-star reviews. It was the best one than compared to others. So today we're gonna be unboxing it and reviewing it. So if you guys are planning to buy a ring light or tripod for TikTok or YouTube or whatever, a photo shoot or something, you can buy this one. And as I said before, I'm gonna be reviewing this. I hope it comes out good. I'm sure it will. Amazon has never betrayed me by giving a bad order. So yeah, so without wasting any of your guys' time and my time, without any further ado, let's get on with the video. Okay, as I said before, I just received this order. I'm just gonna cut it open. Okay. So it includes this. I guess this is a tripod. And then we have the LED ring light, and it has a USB, I see. So yeah, and I'm just gonna remove the bubble wrap first because it has a lot of packaging and stuff. So yeah, I'm just gonna quickly remove the bubble wrap, and yeah, we are gonna quickly unbox it and review it. Okay guys, so I've unpacked it, only the ring light, and we have the phone holder. It will be enough for all the phones in my place. Then this ball kind of thing, and then this for the phone to fit in, and then of course this ring light. And I accidentally opened the USB, but it's fine. And this is the remote, and you can attach this USB to any adapter or your laptop or computer or even a power bank. So yeah, so I'm very excited. So first we're gonna see the brightness levels. Like, it has 10 brightness levels and 3 modes of lighting. So yeah, so we're just gonna check how the lighting is right now. And guys, I have my PC over here, and as I said before, this whole package contains 5 to 6 items, including the ring light and the tripod. So yeah, I'm just gonna connect this on my PC and see how the light is. We have the remote. This one is the on-off button, and we have the plus and minus button, and and in the middle we have the button to change the color. Oh my god. Okay. So, oh my god, it's too bright. In the camera, it's way more brighter. Yeah. This is gonna decrease it so it doesn't get strain on my eyes. And yeah, this is kind of cream color. It's pretty aesthetic though. Then we have this orangish type of color. It gives, kind of cozy look. Yeah, it gives cozy look. In the camera, it's too bright. All the modes of brightness. And then it's kind of, vintage type of color, bluish white type. Pretty bright. It's pretty bright. It will look great in the night time. Right now it's day. So yeah, it's pretty good. I'm just gonna turn it off, and now we are gonna be moving on to unboxing our tripod. So yeah, let's just start unboxing it, and then we can metal all the parts. So yeah, let's just quickly start unboxing. Okay guys, so according to the reviews, the higher the tripod, the lighter and the fragile it will become. So you have to be careful because it will be more fragile. It's pretty fragile and lightweight. So yeah, this is the tripod. Okay, it has nuts to loosen and tighten all these things. We're gonna see our tripod later. And first we're gonna mantle this, the ring light. So this I think has to come over here as there's a given space, and this is the thing as it came in. These things came in the ring light box. So yeah, all you have to do is just screw it up, and you can do it super quickly. It's super easy to mantle it. Yeah, and yeah, I'm done mantling, and you can move it in any angle. You can see overhead videos and any kind of videos. This would be really good for overhead videos. See. And now moving on to mantling this, but first we need to put the ball thingy in here. So first we're gonna take this out, I guess. Yeah, then quickly put it in. As you can see, all I did was click, push it, and yeah, it's done. And then we're gonna put this in and just screw it up, I guess. Yeah, all we have to do is screw it up. It's super quick, you guys, and that's the best part of this. Yeah. And then we have this square rectangle kind of thing. And yeah, we even have a slot for this, for the phone stand to come. So we have to put this like this over here. This can be done super quickly. And I'm actually done. Almost. Yeah, I'm almost done with this. It's actually pretty tight, but okay, I'm done. It was pretty easy. And then, as you can see, you can put this like this for TikTok videos or any portrait videos, and you can move it upwards to put your phone in landscape for YouTube videos or something. So yeah, and now we're gonna mantle this with the tripod. So you're gonna put the tripod. So I see a few nuts here. The tripod is metal, the nuts are plastic, and yeah. So I'm just gonna loosen the nuts, open it, and see guys, it's opened. And now we can finally set it up. Oh my gosh, it's so freaking long, and it's getting more longer. It can get way more longer. Oh my god. Yeah, but we don't need it that long. It's actually, I think, taller than me. So first I'm gonna tighten these nuts here so that this thing doesn't fall, the stand. So that is very important, and as I said before, it is very fragile. So yeah, I'm just gonna put it in the right height right now. So yeah, and then we can finally put this over here. So yeah, I'm just gonna put it in the right height according to me. So yeah. Okay guys, so it's nearly my height. I can make it more taller, but I don't want to. So we're just gonna put it. As you can see, there's a place here, kind of a screw, and we just have to roll it like the others. So yeah, it will be easy. I'm just doing it. Yeah, so I'm just gonna do it, mantle it really quickly, and yeah. So I'm just gonna mantle it real quick, and then we can test this out finally. So yeah, let me just mantle it very fast. Alright guys, I mantled it, and I even lowered down the height because it was actually pretty high after putting the ring light. And yes guys, you have to be very careful of this. The moment I put my phone in, it was kind of, moving, but now it's fine, thankfully. So I'm just gonna turn it on. Okay, it's too bright. Okay, this was the creamish, aesthetic-ish color. Then we have this, the yellowish color. Pretty cozy. And then we have the vintage color. It's kind of white though. Not exactly white. And yeah, it's pretty bright. I really like this. It's a 5-star. So yeah, and now we're gonna see how it looks at night. So it's actually not night right now. So yeah, we're just gonna see how it looks at night. So I'm just gonna wait till night time, and yeah, I'll show you guys how it looks. Okay guys, it's night time. It's pretty dark now, and I actually give this myself 5 stars, and yeah, it was the best one I could find. And if you're looking for a cheap and affordable and the best ring light plus tripod, you should actually choose this one. Yeah, it was pretty cheap. It was actually cheap and affordable, but the quality is actually pretty good. So I'm just quickly gonna turn the light off, and yeah, test this. So I'm just gonna turn the light off in a minute. The light is off, guys. I know it's pretty dark, but we are gonna turn the ring light on. So yeah, I actually have to bend down to reach this. So yeah, this is the creamish color. Just gonna reduce the light. I think increasing it will be better. And then we have the cozy look. Yeah, I'm gonna increase the light. I'm sorry guys. And finally decrease it. And now the final one, which is kind of the cream, like the white, not exactly white. Yeah, so it's kind of vintage look. Gonna increase this. So yeah, there's the final look, and I think it's pretty nice and decent. So yeah, and yeah, it's actually pitch dark outside, so it works great. Yeah, so this is the best and my first and the best tripod and ring light I've ever had. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you didn't want to smash that like button, and if you haven't subscribed, go down below, click that subscribe button. And guys, if you don't know, I'll be giving shout outs from my next video onwards. So if you want a chance for me to say your name or in my future videos, or if you want to get a shout out in my future videos, all you have to do is smash that like button, go down below, click that red subscribe button, and turn on those notification bells. And yeah, that's all you have to do. And yes, even comment anything nice down below, and you may get a chance to have a shout out. So yeah, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to smash that like button, click the subscribe button, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Goodbye.